Okay, I guess I'll actually start this thing, even though I haven't really talked like basically this whole video, which has actually been kind of nice because I've been able to get things done. So I guess we'll start off with the turbo. It is actually on there together properly the exact way I wanted it, with the waterline fittings that are -8. They'll run into there, like I said before. I'm not really going to reiterating a bunch of shit I've already said. But this is on with an actual gasket, which is going to be great because it won't have an exhaust leak. This is on. Everything is pretty much ready to go, but we're going to work on some other things. As you can see, Brandon's been working on the tub, and we're going to do the other side as well. And then to move on from there, we're going to get a power distribution block and put it somewhere on this fender or liner, or whatever you want to call it, and then do a fuse block and everything. That way we can have nice power distribution for all the fans, and make sure everything is nice, new, and up to his standards, because mine's not good enough. Because my wiring pulls out whenever you breathe on it. Not like me though.
We also have a red ground wire and a red power wire.
Well, yeah, so you know what they go to. The fans are red.
If you're colorblind, it's all black. So
Well, depending on what colorblind you are. Jason, I know you're watching this. So yeah, we'll get rid of that oil cooler, get the baby ones in. Don't mind the fan that's on backwards. Don't worry about that. And that pretty much tidies up the engine bay. The next probably thing we should probably worry about after that is the firewall in the back of the car. And yeah, that should be cake. So, and then obviously getting it switched over back to gas, but that's nothing new. So I'm actually leaving the shop on a good note tonight because it's further than where it was the past 4 days or 3 days. So yeah, but I'm really hungry and I want to go home and rest because last night was a long night. So I don't think there's anything else to talk about. Baby, got anything to talk about? Sure.
Get me off the camera.
You're off camera.
You're lying.
What are you gonna do during Drift Week?
Babe.
What are you gonna do during Drift Week?
Wear a mask.
Just wear the Majora's mask the whole time?
Mm-hmm.
go pilot Majora.
Yeah, the Skull Kid. So, alrighty. I think that's gonna be it for the night. I will continue to work on this, even though I don't want to. I want it to be done. Why?
I was gonna say it'd be great to have that one be the second one and this one be the first one, but then you have a hose that goes all the way over to here.
But either way, I would. Either way, I would.
Well, then run this one first, then. No, run this one. No, okay, yeah, no, run that one first. I'm sorry. You want the hotter air on that side because that's your intakes over here.
Yeah, literally, I was gonna come out, go to this one.
Yeah, that's sorry. I was
Run a
thinking
tube across,
the first
go to that
would be
one.
Hotter. I was thinking the second one was hotter.
Well, no.
Yeah, that way your filters will get cooler air possibly.
Well, we can also just stick your little plate right there. We could literally just make a little tiny plate that goes over the top of it. So like from...
It separates the air.
And literally just from that back.
Yeah, actually, we got enough sheet metal.
Yeah. Because literally all we need to do is just kind of cap it off a little bit.
Yeah, just so the hot air goes down and the cold air goes
Yeah.
up. Yeah. Let's give it a little bit of a brain.
Big brain. Big brain, small pee-pee. So, okay. Yep, I'm actually going to outro this time. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to continue to work on it until it's done. And I'm happy with it. So, I will catch you guys later.